Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix DDE server Windows Onedrive.exe application error. So I'm going to show you how to fix the problem. So let's start the video. First of all, right click on your start button here and here go to task manager, and after that this window will pop up and here go to details and scroll down to find OneDrive.exe file, and here it is, OneDrive.exe file. Right now it is running. Right click it here and select end task here and select end process, and after that go to startup, and here you can see Microsoft OneDrive. It is enabled now, and right click it and select disable. And after doing these two process, go to, restart your PC and your problem will be fixed. So I hope this is a helpful video for you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.